All right, let's wrap it up, folks. Happy Friday. Hope you had a great week. Hope you're looking forward to the weekend. Today, we are going to discuss a trade I shared with you back in early May. It's taken approximately 6 weeks to transpire, but it offered nearly 17% worth of price action. Guys, all you have to do is set a couple of these up, let them kind of run, let them do their thing. Do not micromanage them. Give them a chance to breathe. Realize we have protective stops in place for a reason, or we're buying call or put options, so we have limited the risk in which we are taking in these positions, and let them do their thing. I struggle so much with traders who cannot just leave it alone. They think they're smarter than the market. They think they're going to beat the market. They think they're going to out-trade the market. Let me tell you something. The market is going to do what it's going to do regardless of what you believe, what you think, what your opinion is. You can wipe your ass with all of that because it means nothing. What matters is being on the right side of the trade and having the discipline to let it roll. If it doesn't work, it was not meant to work. If we can find a reason why, so be it. If there isn't a technical reason why, it is what it is. That's part of the deal. That's the risk you take when you trade. So I want to wrap this week up with that thought process, only because so many people are hurting themselves instead of just letting the market work for them, because it will if you just give it a chance. So the trade I am talking about is Ford Motor Car Company. I'm going to open up the chart, take a look at it, and I'll also show you guys the original heads up to this trade. So breaking it down, big uptrend. You can see we peaked out right around the time of the major markets, right the beginning of January, and end of last year, beginning of this year. We kind of settled on an all-time high, and we've been trending down since then. So we built a couple structures here. You can see, we had structures going to the upside, and now we have structures going to the downside. So we are clearly in a down market. So which side of the market do we want to be on? We want to be on the downside. Do we know that it's going to take a little bit of time? We do. Now, I recap this week to week. So if you're following along, if you're watching the videos, this is nothing new. You knew about this trade. You saw it transpiring because I share it with you. Every Monday, I cover the major markets. Every Tuesday, I recap what we are watching. So you've heard about Ford now for at least 5 weeks. I've been talking about it. So it's no great surprise. There was plenty of opportunities to enter this trade on a couple occasions. So let's just take a closer look. I'm going to zoom in, and you can see what happened. So here was our confirmation to sell. We shorted at 14. We placed a target with a buffer at this descending channel bottom. Price came down, came back up, retested descending resistance, this teal channel, and then price fell again. So price yesterday, prior to it hitting our target today, had come within 1% of fulfilling our target. So I had taken my stop and moved it to break even. Last night I slept fine because I knew that no matter what Ford did, at this point, I wasn't going to lose any money. I like that. I like the ability of controlling how much money I could potentially lose. I don't want to lose any money if at all possible. But here nor there, it is what it is. So, going into this morning, market sells off. Yesterday we had what was considered a relief rally, or some kind of strength in the market based on the Fed offering us a 75-point basis rate hike. That was very temporary, which I expected it to be. The excitement obviously filtered out, and by the time Thursday morning came around, I think we opened up the market down 500, 600, 700 points on the Dow. So I was not surprised to see some of my positions edging towards their targets or filling their targets. Ford had filled their target at the time of me shooting this video, so that is the one we're discussing today. I am watching 3 others that are rapidly approaching their target. So if those fill in the coming days, we'll be covering videos on them next week. So make sure you tune in because all of these were given to you because we discussed them as positions we're monitoring, and I also post them 100% for free. You don't have to pay for this in my TradingView account. You simply go there, You'll get notifications when I post things, and it's there for you and your reference. Obviously, I can't offer you unique or personal trading or financial advice, but I can show you that this method does work more times than not. Is it always perfect? Of course it's not. Nothing in life is perfect. But with that being said, we are day after day showing you the opportunity to be patient and reap the rewards of those patience. So let's measure it out, see what we got here. About $14, and we closed it out at about $11.65. We'll call it right. Let me shorten it. I don't want to give myself any extra. 16.73% return on investment in a matter of less than 6 weeks. So that's not terrible. Properly picked put option should have afforded you more than a double, meaning more than 100% return on your money. The value of your option should have more than doubled with the move of this trade had you just bought a put option mirroring what our objective was here. When we placed this trade, we had a 3 to 5 week window that we were of expectation for this to take. It took nearly 6 weeks. It did take a little bit longer. But we also know that we're not, we're paying premium to buy time. So we know that we're not buying an expiring option. We're buying one that we will be out of it before theta even comes into play. So guys, I hope I have your attention. I hope you are learning something. I hope you're enjoying these videos, because I think I've proven to you over and over and over again that just employing consistency and discipline can be wildly profitable. Now, I've shown you the losses. I mean, we've had a couple, few percent losses. We've had a couple break-even exits. They are what they are. But the winning trades to the long side and the short side have well outweighed any of our break-even or small stop-outs. Trust me, you will always have them. But if we can keep them to an absolute minimum and keep these 5, 8, 10, 15, 20, even 45% gains in our pockets over and over and over again, trust me, this skill set is absolutely, positively life-changing. And it's my goal to share it with you 100% for free. So if you could do me a simple favor, and that is below this video, like, share, subscribe, so others can find value in what I have to offer them as well, 100% for free, I personally would greatly appreciate it. So with that, I hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day. I hope you had a great week. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to speaking with you Monday morning when we kick off next week.